Hi everyone, here is episode 11 of the weekly expert live classes. For the week of March 21st to 27th, 2022, the live classes topics include Pages, Posts and Widgets Explained, Spotting Easy Wins, Being the Best Support Coach Possible, Monetizing our website with compelling affiliate offers. Before I continue, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to stay updated whenever I publish a new video. What are pages, posts, and widgets? When do you use a page and when do you use a post? What on earth is a widget and where do you place them? In this live class, expert trainer Jay will explain everything you need to know about WordPress pages, posts, and widgets. To watch this live class, you need to be a premium member. At the same time, there are some of these classes that are also available for the free starter members. To get all the valuable training, go to the video description below and click on the link to join Wealthy Affiliate. In his continuing series of training, Benji's dad teaches you how to spot easy wins that can 10 times a site's income. The key to your referrals converting is their trust in you being a dependable source of support. Eric covers how to be the best support coach possible. Most of us start our journey by focusing on the make money aspect of affiliate marketing. But this is better as the last step in the process for a reason. Once you have a site set up and traffic coming in, the promotion part is simple. In this class, Tim is going to walk you through how he monetizes his websites. He will show you how to select the right affiliate offers for your niche, give you an overview of the different types of money pages he creates to promote affiliate offers and why, and also how to maximize your site's revenue potential. He will also show you why it's worth running ads on your site, the best ad networks to consider joining, and how to put ads on your site. That way you can have a mix of both affiliate offers and ads on your site, which he has found to be effective. This week's live classes are not that many, and that's okay. We cannot expect every week to be filled with at least 5, 6 new live classes. It takes time to create quality lessons. So it is good that some of the expert trainers have skipped this week and are going to share more awesome training soon. Meanwhile, this week is still not a week of live classes. Of all the live classes this week, I like the one by Tim McKinley. It is all about monetizing your website effectively. This is what all the training is eventually about, isn't it? It's about making money. That's what you are here to do, right? You are here to own a business that earns revenue. So go join at least as a premium member. Go to the video description below and click on the link there now. Do you have any questions about the topic in this video? That is about the live classes such as monetize your website with affiliate offers and more? Let me know in the comments below. For more videos about business, marketing, and making money online, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.